Hi guys, welcome back to Model Image. If this is your first time, hi, my name is RUSHAE. I'm a lover of fashion, the business of fashion. I'm also a little obsessed with vintage. If this is your first time, I do a little styling content here, primarily through thrifted and vintage finds. And today I've decided to do 6 looks for just typical summer events, and I thought I'd pull from my closet and see how I'd style these event looks. So that's what I have for you today. If you aren't new here, you'll notice that my intro is my old intro. My external hard drive fell off the table while I was transferring video files to the external hard drive, and now it won't start. Nothing, it's just not connecting. I've put back the wires and it's just but I'm okay. I'm fine. Luckily I have another external hard drive which had my old intro, so all is well. I needed a new intro anyway, so we're just gonna go into the video. So first up, I have styled what I consider a very corporate workwear look. Now, if I wanted to transition this from workday to dinner in the evening, I definitely make sure I wear something that can do that transition for me. And because for work I'd probably have a bigger bag, I would take full advantage of, you know, taking a bag like this, which has a little patent with gold that can do that day to evening transition. And then inside here, I put some strappy heels and some accessories and my fragrance of the day. I love the Armani My Way. I think that would work perfect for daytime. And then you just do a quick spritz again to go on in the evening. So that's what I would pack in this little bag. Extra pair of shoes and some accessories. And just by adding some more statement jewelry would take the edge off this look being workwear and make it a little more fun. And this is how I transition this outfit from daytime to night. Now this is how I like to do vintage. For my day at the museum look, I am wearing head to toe vintage right now. This is a vintage shirt, vintage skirt, and this cute little vintage camera bag that I have styled for this look. And yeah, this is just a very chic, casual outfit. I've paired it with a pair of strappy heels. You're doing a lot of walking in these museums, and you know, keeping a small camera bag in front of you. Sometimes, you know, they'll warn you when you go to the museum, keep your bag in front of you at all times. So just having this cute little one, it's not heavy for long walking, and you know, it's right where you can see it. So all you need is the essentials, and this is perfect. So heading to the museum for the summer, that is a perfect event, and this is how I'd style it. So this is my day at the museum look, and it's just cool, casual, but very chic, and I love it. So last Wednesday's video, I'd asked if anyone had any events coming up that they wanted to see me style, and someone said they wanted to see how I'd style a concert in the park, and this is how I'd style it. Now I'm taking it to the community concerts. We have that here by our parks every summer. There are like music in the park type things. Now I really wouldn't dress too casually. You're gonna see your neighbors, probably neighbors that you didn't even know you had, neighbors just moved in. So I really wouldn't go too casual with my look. I think just doing, you know, this, what I'm wearing is this little tunic blouse from Old Navy. I was walking through mindlessly browsing and I saw this little tunic, and the material was so soft and thin. I thought it would be great over a swimsuit, but paired with this black shorts, it looks very planned, very much like a set, and so you'd look very put together if you did a nice tonal look like this. I kept a cute little belt, I put on some accessories, and I'm wearing these little gold slides by Michael Kors. And yeah, I just keep it casual but still, you know, very chic, because you never know who's out there. You don't want to walk outside, music in the park, in your bed slippers. You know, your neighbors are watching. There might be visitors to the area. You never know. So I still wouldn't go too casual. This is probably as casual. It's relaxed, breathable. You know, you can still sit on the ground if you need to. If you walk with your little lawn chair, it would still work. Similarly with my museum look, I just want to take this little crochet vintage Saks crochet bag that I got last year and I'm loving again this year. So, you know, just the essentials, my phone, my keys. Usually for the music in the park, they have like little vendors. I might want to grab something and support the small businesses that are there. So I take my little crossbody with my phone, little purse, or some cash, just so I could, you know, be set for the night. And this is how I'd do like a casual little music in the park. So for the next look, I decided to go all white, and I think this is my most daring look yet. But I think for a fun daytime party, whether it's a birthday or just a regular cocktail party or cocktail event for daytime, this would be such a fun look to do a white and white. And I decided to go more of a dress pants. Well, this is more like a linen pants as opposed to denim. It just gives it a little more refined look, and it can make it a little more dressed up and a little more grown up with linen pants as opposed to jeans. So I love this look. I just put on this little gold belt. It's just one of those little stretchy gold belts that I thought would help to define the waist even more and just really complete the look. So I love this so much. Just stay away from anything, you know, wine related or barbecue sauce related or any kind of sauce related, and you'll be okay in full white. So just this cute little peplum top that I've had for a little while from Guess. And yeah, this is my Island Fisher linen pants, my vintage beaded bag for a cute little pop of color, and my white strappy black heel shoes. So that's the look for a nice little daytime cocktail party. And yeah, I cannot wait. It's very daring, very dangerous, but I love it. So for this look, I decided I'm going to do brunch with the girls, and I think, you know, you can go a little extra for your outfit when it's brunch with the girls. You know, this is a very fashion focused look, but if no one else gets it, the girls gets it. I decided to wear this Isabel Marant top. I love me some Isabel Marant. I love stalking the Real for Isabel Marant. They usually have really good prices for Isabel Marant, and I love a very feminine, very billowy type blouse, and they tend to do it really well. These pants are actually vintage pants. I found it was a suit. I don't know if you remember, if you've been watching for a while. This came with a jacket in the same color. It was an open front jacket, but it had like these orange like embroidery on the sides. But from I got it, I knew I would only be wearing them separately. And these pants, they almost look like skirts when you walk, but they are very wide, like palazzo culotte pants. And I paired them with my chunky Michael Kors platform and Gucci tote. So yeah, I just love this look, and I think this might be my favorite of the pieces I've styled so far. I just love this. For the final look, I decided I'd style something for 4th of July. 4th of July is just around the corner, and I've already been invited to an outdoor like picnic barbecue event. So I thought, you know, a lot of the times people go with their red, white, and blue. I'm not necessarily into the red, white, and blue look, but I thought I'd dress something on theme, and this is what I've decided to wear. So this is a jumpsuit by William White, and I've just paired this top by Free People, and just to give it a little more feminine touch and to give the look as if I'm wearing overalls, but it's really more of a, you know, more feminine overalls. I love these high slits on the leg to be nice and relaxed, and I've paired it with these strappy sandals by Vince Camuto, and you know, just a really relaxed look. This is nice. This is a linen jumpsuit as well, so it's nice and breathable. This is nice, relaxed, like gauzy cotton, so it will be just a really fun little outfit. Of course, again, I still have to watch the barbecue sauce. But this is what I would wear for my 4th of July celebration, adding a little of a theme without walking around looking like the flag, basically. I'm just making it a little chicer, a little more, you know, a little more of a classic look. And this is how I'd style for my picnic. And I think I'm literally just gonna wear this exact thing because I love this. For bag, I would definitely take more of a substantial size bag. I have this little straw tote bag. I had this from last year. I also did a video on it. It came with a little like bow, and I literally just cut the bow off. I still have it. I still love it. This is a little bigger, and I definitely take something like this because going on location for, you know, these type of events, it's just good to have like a change of clothes. So I'd probably just like throw a little dress in here or something just in case I ruin my clothes. We might be near a pool. I can walk with like swimsuit and a towel, and just, you know, it's a nice big bag for a good amount of essentials, being away from home just for the day. So I definitely take like this bigger straw bag, and yeah, this is how I'd style my 4th of July look. I'm literally going to wear this and I love it. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section what look was your favorite. As well, if you haven't yet subscribed, I'd love for you to join the family. And if you did like this video, please give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.